Hello, good morning, dear peers, for the MAC Financing for Development. In the case of my digital artifacts, I propose a solution in order to fight against youth employment in Ivory Coast. For the Ivory Coast government, I'm trying to propose a solution in front of endemic employment which affect particularly its youth people with all the consequences in the socio-economic and political plan. Youth employment problem phenomena is an almost universal challenge and a national priority for all African countries. Ivory Coast does not escape this increasing plague, which risks to create a social instability if it is not mastered in time. Some statistics we have in Ivory Coast 9.4% in employment rate or near a million in employed persons. In employment rate would approach the 24% if the international state criteria were widened in the realities of Ivory Coast. We have also approximately 70% of the young people in Ivory Coast from 15 to 24 years old left while leaving the school without possessing the qualification and the necessary skills to enter the active life. Other details for you, dear peer. Difficulties of access to a decent job for young people in Ivory Coast depends in socio-economic factors, but also and especially in individual factors. At the individual level, the characteristic of the young people on the labor market is mainly the professional inexperience and the low educational level. The reason of this intervention for all the actors is first, for the government, the main objective is to stop the youth employment and to resolve the knowledge gap that really discourage the coming of investors in Ivory Coast. For the MDBs, the main objective is to fight against the vulnerable poverty of the group, especially the young people. For the private sector, the main objective is to invest with profit in the training and educational sector by a controlled level of risk. The main obstacle in this sector is the lacking income of parents to pay a high quality training for their children, for their kids. The solution we propose to deal with this plague is to develop and implement an educational and training program to improve the employment prospect of the young people in Ivory Coast and increase so the outlets which are offered to them in the private sector. Seeing the stakes of the scale of the task, The financing of such a program requires the mobilization of all the actors: government, MDBs, private sector, civil society, etc., etc. The key intervention is to mobilize blended finance in order to build infrastructure of vocational training run by private operators on the basis of a performance contract. With the resources, it's important to first create an enabling environment to create a guidance law on education and vocational training, to have a special tax for finance the youth employment, to have an agency of certification of diploma. With the MDBs, Ivory Coast can also mobilize a high-level expertise for having a good employment policy for young people. We have also to build classrooms in ecology norms with solar energy. To do that, we can ask to the French agency, which intervenes a lot in Africa in this domain with concessional law. To offer a training on the base of a strong use of information technology of communication, we can use concessional loans of the African Bank of Development. We have also to give guarantees to private sector for the exploitation of training centers given to them on the basis of a performance contract. The private actors will be chosen on the basis of a transparent procedure involving all actors. The private operators will, however, have the obligation to bring the working capital necessary for the functioning of the training center. In case of lack of equity funds, IDA can make available a guarantee fund for loans in local banks. This is, dear peers, a great solution for financing development and fighting against youth unemployment in Ivory Coast. Thank you for your attention. Gisatuma kii bi